G'day guys, Joe from Topto here, and today I've got 5 incredible TOPEX heavy duty tool bags to show you guys. So let's break them down. TOPEX's 16-inch tool bag is designed with a large interior space. This tool bag has 8 exterior pockets and 8 interior pockets to help ensure that your tools stay organized and secure. This bag is also equipped with an internal metal frame, which helps keep the bag open, making retrieving tools quicker and more convenient. The bag also comes with an extra padded handle and an adjustable shoulder strap to help add comfort when you're carrying heavy loads. This bag is made out of highly durable Oxford cloth and has rubber stoppers at the bottom of the bag, making this bag perfect for your everyday needs. TOPEX's 18-inch backpack is a premium quality tool organizer designed for durability and convenience. Made from tough 1680D fabric, it offers exceptional strength and resistance to wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting use. This tool bag features multiple pockets both inside and outside, providing plenty of room to store and organize your tools, accessories, and all your small parts. The waterproof molded bottom adds extra protection to keep your tools safe from moisture and dirt. Ideal for home projects, workshop organization, or on-the-go use. This tool backpack combines practicality with reliability. TOPEX's 19-inch rolling tool bag offers spacious storage featuring multiple compartments for your tools and accessories. Designed for easy transport, it features highly durable 1680D waterproof fabric, smooth gliding wheels, and a comfortable padded handle. The reinforced base keeps the bag stable and protected on any surface, while the additional side pockets give you quick and easy access to your most used tools without having to dig through the main compartment, making this an excellent choice for professionals on the go. TOPEX's 24-inch tool bag is a sturdy and adaptable tool organizer. With 16 functional pockets, it provides ample space to store a wide variety of tools and accessories. The large opening design makes accessing your tools quick and efficient, while the padded handle and the adjustable shoulder strap help ensure comfortable, hands-free carrying. Whether you're working at home, in the workshop, or on the job site, this bag is built to combine durability and convenience for all your storage and transportation needs. TOPEX's 16-inch tool tote is a highly durable and versatile product made for both homeowners and professionals. Featuring 12 spacious pockets on the outside and 4 pockets on the inside, this multi-tool tote offers ample storage for all of your tools, keeping them neatly organized and easily accessible. Its high-bearing, wide-mouth design allows for quick and easy access to all of your gear, while the rotatable steel handle provides added convenience and portability. The adjustable shoulder strap ensures comfortable carrying, making this an ideal choice for any job site or at-home project. So that is TOPEX's incredible range of heavy-duty tool bags. Which one was your favorite? Click the link in the description below to buy yours today.